Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to discuss about another model that came out very recently, one after DeepSeek R1 and Quen 2.5, and one a bit earlier. Those models are Codestral 25.01 and the from the same company, Mistral Small 3. Uh, those are not models which are which compete with the leading model. It's still an open source model, but it is something to worth noticing because they are smaller module that can be used from your PC device and that they perform very well. Codestral is a model which is focused on the development, so on coding task, and that's how its name come from. And what is very interesting about this model is that it is 100 billion parameter model. So it is very small compared to the leading one, which are in the order of trillions even. Like OpenAI and many other models. But we can also see in the benchmarks that this model it outsmarts all the other models which have 100 billion parameters in the human eval, in the live coding, and in context length, which is 256K context length, which is a huge amount in terms of number. And this is another chart benchmark which shows, for example, how it out is good in relation of programming languages. You can see that it's very good in Python, JavaScript, in C++, and in Bash. Very good in TypeScript, C Sharp, and human eval and the average human eval. So it is best in terms of as a programming model, which is great to know considering that is totally free model. Also, it's very important to know that this model can be used in VS Code with extensions such as continue. You can use them. It is well integrated there, as you can see here, and also with the JetBrains. You can see that it basically outsmart all the other models in theme benchmarks. In general, it outsmart all the others with the same amount of parameters. You can see from this video how another characteristic which is very good of this model is how fast it generates responses. It promises basically to generate 2 times faster the responses than the previous models, which is very cool. And you can use this from LeChat, and you can basically read more if you're interested. Another news come from it came actually today. A new model has been released by Mistral, which is Mistral Small 3. This model is even a smaller model. It's a 24 billion parameters, while Codestral, which is focused on coding, is 100 billion. This is more general purpose language model. And it specifies here how fast it generates 150 tokens per second, and it outsmart the other model also related to the same parameters number, which is 24 billion. You can even see how it outsmart GPT-4o Mini in the benchmark MMLU Pro. and the Quen model, which is basically it's very close to the model of Quen 2.5, which has the same parameters. So it is basically in leadership, in the lead for the model for the number of parameters. Um, this model is very cool. Really, it can be used on any machine, and this was worth noticing. It just came out today, after all the other models like Qwen 2.5 Pro, DeepSeek R1, and the the V3 models. Basically, this is very interesting to understand how these models are coming out every day. Is really exciting. Um, you can see here a little bit of comparison in terms of performance with other similar models, especially near their sides. Mistral, Mistral Small 3 is really close to the top. And yes, I think that's it for today. Uh, just wanted to show, as you can see, this model came out today. The other one uh, came out in Lechat the 25th, but the 13th has been released for the first time. It's important to specify that the Mistral Small 3 is emphasized more for the general purpose LLM, while Codestral for coding. That's it. That's it for today. I hope this video was interesting. Uh, if you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing, and it would be lovely to see likes on this video and comments. Let me know what do you think about these models, and see you the next video.